Hello guys, happy Sunday. Today is Sunday and this is Sunday evening. Okay, so I want to start filming what I eat in a week at home. Okay, you know the ASUU strike is still on, so I'm at home and I'm trying to film what I eat in a week. So if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Precious and you are absolutely welcome. Please do consider subscribing before you leave, okay? And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again to watch my content on this channel. I really appreciate you, okay? So for starters, we are having fried rice, okay? We are having fried rice for starters. Can you guys see this magnificent beauty? Come on, focus or say so. For starters, this Sunday evening we are having fried rice and turkey, okay? So that's what I'm about to eat and I'll show you guys what I'm eating it. So guys, at this point I was honestly trying to get a good thumbnail. If you are a YouTuber, you understand thumbnail struggles. Anyways, I did that and then I went ahead to show you guys the face of my food, although the room was a bit dark. And after that I dived right into that meal. Okay, I was eating and nodding because this meal was absolutely sumptuous. And then while I was eating, my brother walked in and he caught me eating and filming. Then I went ahead to, you know, tear my turkey. My turkey got burnt while I was frying it too. I don't know what distracted me, but then I went ahead to press my phone for a few seconds only to turn back to the frying pan and the turkey was already blackish brown. Anyways, after eating, I went ahead to put the rest of the remaining turkey in the fridge alongside the remaining sauteed vegetables so that we can use it another day to make more fried rice to get. On this Monday morning, I decided to have sardines with bread and tea as my breakfast. So I went ahead to empty the sardine can into a bowl plate, and then I like to have my sardines mashed together with the oil that comes with the fish. Okay, other people don't like that. They like to eat the oil separately and then eat the fish separately. So tell me how you like to have your sardines. I had this sardine on my bread as a bread spread, and then I had it with tea, and I like to add Horlicks to my tea, and trust me, I absolutely enjoyed this breakfast. We had lunch around 4 p.m. on that same day, and it was white rice with this mixed vegetable sauce and turkey as the protein. It was a late lunch and it was a full course meal. So when it got to the night time, we were not really hungry, so we just had boiled corn with boiled pears as our dinner, and that was it for that day. On Tuesday morning, I decided to have avocados with bread and tea as my breakfast. So I peeled the avocados and put it in a bowl plate. Then I mashed the avocados and used it as a bread spread for my bread. Okay, then I ate that combination and then I sipped my tea, and trust me, this breakfast was heavenly. I absolutely enjoyed it, and if you have not tried out the avocado and bread combo, what are you doing? Okay, you are missing out on the best combo to ever exist. Take it from me. So for lunch on that day, I went out with my brothers to go and see a movie. But then from there, we branched at Kili Grill, okay? There's Kili Grill at Market Square, and then we bought shawarma, and that was what I had as my lunch, okay? The shawarma was very hefty. There was sausage, there was everything inside. So I was absolutely filled by that shawarma, and I didn't have to eat any other thing as my lunch. Then for dinner, my brother made noodles, precisely the onion chicken flavor of Indomie noodles, and we ate it with fried eggs, and that was it for that day. On Wednesday morning, I had Kellogg's Cocoa Pops cereals as my breakfast, and then for lunch, I had this concussion rice alongside turkey as the protein. So we had a lot of turkey meat at home this period, so we ate turkey alongside almost every meal. So I went ahead to season some more turkey meat that I would need to make turkey meat pepper soup for dinner, and then I divided the seasoned meat into two sections. I put one section in the fridge for later use, and then I used the other half to make the turkey meat pepper soup, which we ate with rice as dinner, and that was it for that day. On Thursday morning, I had fried yams and egg sauce as my breakfast. Then later in the day, I went out to run a few errands, but on my way back home, I stopped by at Crunchies Plus to buy meat pie. And when I got home, I ate the meat pie I bought with Five Alive pulpy orange that I had at home, and that is what I had as lunch, okay? Then for dinner, my mom bought us nsala soup from one home chef. Okay, she's a food vendor, but then she cooks homemade food and sells it. So my mom decided to try her out that day, and she bought nsala soup and fufu for us. And that was what we had as dinner that day. And as you can tell, I was absolutely enjoying this dinner. It was entering where it was supposed to enter. It was sweeting me where it was supposed to sweet me. And I had fun eating it, and that was it for that day. On Friday morning, I had fried plantains with bread and tea as breakfast. See, almost every day I have bread and tea for breakfast, but then I try to switch it up a little bit once in a while. And this bread and plantain combo is another combo that you need to try, okay? So I put my plantains inside my bread to form like a sandwich kind of scenario, and then I eat it and I drink or I sip my tea, and I enjoyed this breakfast. Then for lunch, I just quickly had garri and egusi soup because I was going out with my brothers that day, so I just quickly rushed my lunch. And then we went out to Kilimanjaro where we bought food, we bought ice cream and other stuff, and then we also bought tiger nut milk. Enjoyment galore.
Stop it.
Enjoyment galore. And we had ice cream with rice and chicken and tiger nut milk as dinner that particular Friday night. On Saturday morning, I had bread and tea with eggs as my breakfast. After that, I got busy with chores, and then I just quickly ate cake. I had cake delivered by my mom to my house, so I just quickly ate this marble cake, and then that was what I had for lunch. We were bulk cooking that day, and as you can see, Chef CJ was doing what he knows how to do best. He was helping us with the stew, and then we made a lot of other meals. We made soup, we made stew. I'll show you guys, as you guys can see in the video. So then after that, we now had our dinner, which was white rice and stew. And that brings us to the end of this vlog. Thank you for watching up until this point. I love you. God bless you. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you next time in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.